Yeah. Good evening, friends. First, welcome to DURGASOFT. Myself, Dr. U. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I am AWS certified at associate level. So this training is providing the 40 days of the training. Here, you are registered in this course. Then you are getting everyday recording videos and the class notes. At the end of the 40 days of the training, then you got the technical questions and answers, and each topic screenshots explanation I am providing at the end of the 40 days. At the end of the 40 days, I am providing the AWS dumps around 800 pages I am providing. This is your day one demo video link. I'll share it in the chat box. Chat option is also there. This is demo video link. Okay. Now, in yesterday's session, we'll discuss the basics of cloud computing. That is, what is cloud computing? What are advantages of the cloud computing? The cloud computing is providing 4 types of clouds are there. One is public cloud. Second one is private cloud. Third one is hybrid cloud. And the fourth one is community cloud. So those are the 4 types of clouds are there. And the cloud computing is providing 3 types of delivery models are providing. One is infrastructure as service. Second one is platform as service. Third one is software as a service. Those are delivery models in the cloud computing. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss how we had to create your AWS free tier account and how we had to launch and connect Windows Server using EC2 service. Using EC2 service. These 2 concepts we had to learn one by one. We'll see one by one. First, how we had to create your AWS account. And also in the last session, we'll discuss AWS introduction we are discussing. Introduction. If you click on the AWS global infrastructure, see that this is the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. Wait. AWS global infrastructure is providing. I'm providing the link also yesterday. Wait. This is the link. AWS global infrastructure. The AWS global infrastructure, it is providing 33 regions. 105 availability zones are providing. This is diagrammatically represented. AWS global infrastructure. Here total 105 availability zones within 33 geographic regions. And they are planning to update 18 more availability zones and 6 more AWS regions in Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, and European, right? They are upcoming, they are introduced their AWS regions and 18 availability zones. This green color circle marks represent already existed regions. This red color mark is there, that is next to upcoming regions. This is showing the AWS global infrastructure. So 33 launched regions are there. 105 availability zones are there. The AWS has to cover their services throughout globally. How it is covered their global services is using their data centers. Globally, 33 regions are there. 105 availability zones are there. Right? Now, in this session, we are going to discuss how we had to create your AWS account and then how to launch and connect your Windows server using EC2 service. Using EC2 service. Okay. So already I have an AWS account. That's why I'm not creating the AWS account. With the help of the slides, how we have to create your AWS free tier account. That's I had to explain. Okay. To create your AWS account, first we can click on this portal. This link we have to click on that. This is a AWS, the free tier account link, right? Portal.aws.amazon.com. This one. We have to sign up for AWS. For that, you need to enter root user email address. That is, you need to enter your email address and the AWS account name we have to enter. And then we can click on verify email address. That is the first we have to sign up for AWS. That is for enter your email address and the AWS account name. That is. So that is if you are enter your email address and the account name, that is to give the AWS account name, it must be unique. It must be unique. After entering your email address and the account name, then you can click on verify email address. Verify email address. Whatever you are enter the mail ID, for that mail ID, you have received the OTP. Whatever the OTP you are received, that OTP we have to enter it in the next. That is, whatever you are received, the OTP to your mail ID, that OTP we have to enter it and then click on verify option. Click on verify option. After verifying, then you need to enter the password. For your AWS account, what is the password you are given? And whatever the password you are given, you have to confirm your password. Again, we have to retype the password. That is total the 5-step process is there. Once you are enter the root, that is email address and your AWS account name, then you got the OTP to your mail ID. Once you enter the OTP and then click on verify option, then it is asking your root user password. And we have to confirm password is nothing but again we have to type the password. That is the first step. Then to enter the password, that is to give your AWS account password, it must be the combination of these three. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and alphanumeric characters. That the characters length is the minimum 8 characters. And it contains at least 3 of these things. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and alphanumeric. That is to give your AWS account password. Once you enter the password, then the next one is you need to enter your personal details. Personal details is nothing but your name, your full name we have to enter, and then your mobile number we have to enter, your full name, mobile number, and which country you are. You are in India, and you have to specify the address, city we have to enter, the state we have to enter, and then the postal code, and put the tick mark for acknowledgement. Put the tick mark here. Here the tick mark option is there, and then click on continue. That is, you need to enter your details. Name, mobile number, country, address, city, state, and the postal code, and put the tick mark, click on continue. Then the next step is you need to enter your card details. Already I told that to open your AWS account, to create your AWS account, you need your credit card or debit card. Second, it is required your mobile number. And third, you need your mail ID. These three things are required to create your AWS account, AWS retire account. That is, you need to enter your card details, your credit card or debit card details, you need to enter it. The RuPay card is not accepting. Credit card is accepting, no problem. The debit card, some debit cards are accepted. RuPay card is not accepting. Visa card is accepting. MasterCard is accepting. You need to enter the card number, card expiration date, year, card holder name. If you turn your card at the back side, the CCV number is there. That CCV we have to enter it, right? And we have to fill the detail, use your contact address, and then put the tick mark. We have to select the tick mark or no select the tick mark. That is, do you have the PAN or not? Yes or no. And then click on verify option. That is, in the next step, you have to enter your card details. That is, after entering your card details, to your OTP, to your mobile number, you have received one OTP. That is 2 rupees is deducted from your account, bank account, and you are received the OTP number. Whatever the OTP you received to your mobile number, that OTP we have to enter it and then submit option. Okay. And then after that, you have to confirm your identity. That is, you have to confirm your identity. For that, you are using text message or voice call. You may choose as your option. You may choose text or voice call. I am choosing SMS, text message. You have to select the country or region. You have to enter your mobile number. Whatever the security check is there, that we have to type it here and then send SMS. That is the fourth step. Out of the 5 steps, this is the fourth step is you have to confirm your identity. After confirming your identity, we have to sign up, confirm your identity verification code. Then the last step is, before the last step, then once you are confirming your identity, then you need to choose the plans. Basic support, it is providing free service, 12 months of the free service is providing, or you may choose developer support. You may choose the option free tier, or you may choose developer support, or you may choose business support. Here, you are for practicing purpose, all the services which are worked out. For that, you have to choose the free service option. This option, we have to choose it. That is basic support. Free plan, we have to choose it. Okay. Once you have chosen the basic support to the free plan, then your sign up is completed. Then you are getting the congratulations message. After that, you have to enter your role and your interested area. You have to select it and then click on submit. Then your AWS account is created. Once your AWS account is created, then you have the appearance is the AWS login console. Enter your email address, whatever the mail ID you are given, that is at the time of creation of your AWS account. And then you have to enter whatever the password you are given. Then this is the appearance to your AWS account. So those are recently visited services in my AWS account. In my AWS account. Maybe anywhere AWS account you are created, you are open the first time, it is not up yet. So those are nothing but recently visited services in my AWS account. I'm using recently EC2 service, billing and cost management, EFS, identity and access management, S3, RDS, DynamoDB, CloudWatch, Lambda service, simple notification services. Those are recently visited services. When you open your AWS account, at the right side top, it is showing your name. That is your AWS account name. It is showing the my name. Seshadri, it is displaying. This is my AWS account ID, 12-digit account ID, right? In my AWS account, those are the regions which are supported. That is North Virginia, California, Mumbai region, right? Singapore region, Sindh region, Canada Central, right? London, Paris. Those are the regions which are supported. At the bottom, upcoming regions are also mentioned. Our Hyderabad is also there. That is, it is in under progress. That's why it is showing at the bottom, right? So at the top, it is showing the in my AWS, those are the regions which are supported, Okay. Those are the steps we had to follow. How we had to create your AWS free tier account. AWS free tier account. Okay. That is with step by step, the screenshot format I am explaining. So once you are create your AWS free tier account, it is providing 12 months of the free service. 12 months of the free service it is providing. 12 months of the free service it is providing. Right. Sir, what are the free service details are providing? You can click on this link. This link. See that. Scroll down. The Amazon EC2 service, it is providing 750 hours per month it is providing. S3, 12 months of the free service it is providing. 5 GB it is providing, right? And RDS, 750 hours per month of database usage it is providing. Managed relational database service for MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, or SQL, it is providing, right? And Amazon DynamoDB, 25 GB, always free, it is providing, free tier you are chosen. It is a serverless, no SQL, fully managed database with a single digit milliseconds performance at any scale, it is providing the Amazon DynamoDB. Machine learning, that is free tier, 2 months it is providing. Amazon SageMaker, free tier it is providing. AWS Lambda, always it is providing the free service. It is providing the free service. Analytics, it is providing 750 hours per month, right? SNS, always it is providing the free service, right? Like that, it is showing the AWS free tier limitations and how many hours it is providing the free service. In this link, it is providing. So on the slides, I have mentioned that the free tier limitations also. Okay. Now, that is your AWS account. How we had to create your AWS account. To create your AWS account, you need your credit card or debit card, your mobile number, and your mail ID. Fine. Now, in this session, I explain how to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect Windows server. For that, what are the steps we have to follow to launch and connect the Windows server? Here, First, we have to select the region. Whatever the region you are selecting, you may choose North Virginia, California, Mumbai region, Singapore region, anyone. But always for practicing purpose, you have to choose one region. One region. After completion of your practice, you have to terminate or delete whatever you are practicing on the team. Right? So I am choosing always the Mumbai region. So you have to select the region. I am selecting the Mumbai region. Mumbai region. Then to launch in the Windows server, you need to choose compute service. You need to choose compute service. Under we had to choose it, the EC2 service. How we had to choose it? Those are recently visited services in my AWS account. You can click on this one. Directly it is connecting to the EC2 service. It is open EC2. Or at the top, services option is there. Those many services are providing in your AWS account. Analytics is supporting, compute service is supporting, container is supporting, database is supporting. Those many services are supported. Now, to launch the Windows server, you have to choose compute service. Under, we have to select the EC2 service. EC2 service. Okay. Okay. First, anywhere Mumbai region, you are selecting the EC2. You have to check it, the EC2 dashboard. Dashboard, it is visible. It is visible. How many instances are running? How many instances are running? Instant is nothing but your virtual machines. 0. How many key pages are there? 0. One instant is there. That instant is terminated just before half an hour I am creating one instant. That's why that instant is there, but that instant is terminated. Okay. And how many volumes are there? 0. How many security groups are there? One security group is there. That is the default security group. Default security group. To launch the Windows server, to launch the Windows server, in the EC2 service, left side instances option is there. See that. See the mouse pointer. Here, the instances option is there. Under the instance, we have to select it. Under, we have to choose the instances. Okay. Now, one instant is there, that is terminated. Now, to launch the instant, you have to click on launch instance option. Launch instance option. That is, you need to select launch instance option. Launch instance option. Then you have to give the instance name. I am given the instant name is Windows Server 101 I am given. This is the instant name I am given. We have to give the instant name. I am given the instant name is the Windows Server 101 I am given. Or you may give Windows Server also. You may give your name also. No problem. Then the next step, to launch the instant, you have to choose which operating system you need to select it. You are launching the Windows Server. So which operating system you are selected? Windows. That is nothing but Amazon Mission Image we have to select it. Amazon Mission Image is nothing but you have to choose the operating system. You are launching Linux server, you have to choose Linux operating system. You are launching Windows server, we have to choose Windows operating system. Now I am launching the Windows server. That's why which operating system we are to select it? The Windows. That is, here I am selecting Windows. Windows. Next, if we are selecting the Windows, if you click on this arrow mark, click on this one. Here it is providing free tier eligible one. Free tier eligible one. Scroll down. Scroll down. See here. Some of them are not mentioned the free tier. Some of them are not mentioned free tier. See that? Here it is not showing the free tier. Means they are the paid version. Some of them are mentioned the free tier. Now you are for practicing purpose. You have to choose free tier eligible one. I am selecting the first one. I am selecting the first one, free tier eligible one. Then it is showing AMI ID here, 64-bit architect. Okay. Okay. Then, you know, to launch any server, three things are required. The three things are, one is a CPU is required. Second one is you need the memory is required, how much memory you are using. Third, you need the hard disk is required. You need the hard disk is required. Now, for that, we have to choose the instant type. We have to choose the instant type. Instant type. See, to choose the instant type, see that compare instant types option is there. Click on this one. Click on this one. See, in Mumbai region, how many instances are there? How many instant types are there? 513 instant types are there. As per your business needs, we have to choose the instant type. As per your business needs, you have to choose the instant type. If you are chosen T2.micro, it is providing one CPU. See that at the top it is mentioned CPUs. Memory. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. If you are chosen T2.2 extra large, it is providing 8 CPUs, 32 GB memory it is providing. Similarly, T3 family is there. Under T3, there are many instances are there. T3.nano, T3.micro, T3.small, T3.medium, T3.extra large. If you are chosen T3.extra large, 4 CPUs are providing, 16 GB memory it is providing. Similarly, A1 family is there, C4 family is there, C5 there are many instant types are there, and like that it is providing in the Mumbai region total 513 instant types are there. Now, you are for practicing purpose, we have to choose the free tier one. That's why you need to choose T2.micro. If you are chosen instant type T2.micro, it is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory it is providing. So if you are chosen T2.micro, how many CPUs it is providing? 1 CPU it is providing. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. 1 GB memory it is providing. You are chosen, the instant type is T2.micro. T2.micro. Okay. So I am chosen T2.micro. Fine. Fine. You are chosen the instant type T2.micro. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. Then the next step is to connect your Windows server. You need the key pair. Key pair. Key pair. So the next step is you need to create the key pair. Key pair. If already the key pair is there, then we have to select the existing key pair. If you are not creating right now key pairs, then we have to create new key pair. To create the new key pair, we can click on create new key pair option is there. Here we have to give the key pair name is, that is Windows Server 101 key I am given. Copy this key pair name and paste it in the notepad. Paste it in the notepad. Fine. It is supporting the AWS key pair type is RSA. Private key file format, it is supporting PEM file format, .ppk file format. You have to choose PEM file format and then click on create key pair. Key pair is downloaded in my downloads option. See that? See that? In my downloads, Windows Server 101 key, PEM file format, it is downloaded. Fine. Fine. That is, we have to create the key pair. What is the key pair name I am given here? Windows Server 101 key I am given. You may give anyone, any name you have to give it. Then the next step is network settings. Network settings. Here in the network settings, we have to click on edit option is there. Click on that. Right now, you have to choose whatever it is there. That's we have to choose as is. That is, default VPC is there. Virtual private cloud, default as is, we have to select it. In upcoming session, virtual private cloud is there. On that, you have to create your own virtual private cloud. Under your virtual private cloud, you launch and connect the Windows server. You launch and connect the Linux server. You launch and connect the Ubuntu server. That is, on that module, we have to discuss how we have to create your VPC. Right now, we have to choose the default VPC. You are chosen the Mumbai region. In the Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. I'm not given any subnet preference. 3 availability zones are, that is AP South 1A, AP South 1B, and then AP South 1C. I'm not given any preference. It is showing automatically. That's why I'm not given any subnet preference. If you are chosen AP South 1A, your instant will be launched in AP South 1A. You are chosen 1B, your instant is launched in 1B, right? I'm not given any preference. Auto is in public IP, that is enabled. Now the security group, for our easy understanding purpose, like firewall cities act as a firewall, I'm given the security group name is, that is Windows Server 101 SG I'm given. SG means security group. Copy and paste it in the description. Same we have to notate anywhere notepad also. Anywhere notepad also. Next. You are launching the Windows Server. The type is RDP. Port range is 3389. See, you are launching Windows Server. The type is RDP. And the port range is 3389. I'll ask tomorrow also the same question. That's why I'm noted. Next, the source type, we have to choose anywhere. My IP address, if I am chosen, that is my system IP address is taken. If I am chosen custom, then I need to enter the IP address. If I am chosen anywhere, this server is connecting anywhere. Anywhere. So the source type I am selecting anywhere. Okay. Now you are launching the Windows Server. The AWS default, it is providing 30 GB. That is, hard disk is providing 30 GB storage, it is providing. How many CPUs it is providing? 1 CPU. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. That is, if you are chosen T2.micro, it is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, and default it is providing 30 GB storage, that is to install the OS, Windows OS. 30 GB it is providing. Fine. Now I'm not adding any new volume right now. I'm not given any advanced details. Here on right side, the summary it is showing. That is the instant type and the storage, how much it is providing. That is the summary details which are providing. That is AMI ID, all the details, summary details which are providing. Okay. Now we can click on launch instant option. launch instant option. Now the instant is launched in Mumbai region. See that what message you are got it? Success. Success. Click on instances option. See what is the state? What is the instant state? Pending. Pending. Windows Server 101, the instant state is pending. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then it is updating in the Mumbai region data center. Once it is running, then I am ready to connect this Windows Server. See, what is the instant state now? Running. Running. Right. Now, when you select the instant, when you select the mission, when you select your virtual mission, see, at the bottom, it is showing the details. Instant ID, public IPv4 of this mission, private IPv4 of this Windows mission, instant state, public DNS, right? Private DNS name, all the details which are showing at the bottom. If we move this scroll bar also, it is showing the details. Instant name, instant ID, instant state running. To launch the instant type you are given as t2.micro. T2.micro. I'm not given any alarms. I'm not given any subnet preference. It is chosen automatically AP South 1A. This is public IPv4 DNS. This is public IPv4 of my Windows server. I'm not using Elastic IP. I am not using IPv6. Monitoring I am not using. That's why it is disabled. Security group name I am using. The security group name is Windows Server 101 ST. I am using the key pair name is Windows Server 101 key I am using. This is launch date and time which is represented. Right. I am launching the Windows Server. I am launching Windows Server. Okay. How I am connecting this Windows Server? How I am connecting this Windows Server? That is, you are using Windows operating system. The remote desktop connection is there in your laptop. See that. Remote desktop connection is there. With that remote desktop connection, you have to connect your Windows server. Otherwise, no problem at all. You are using Mac operating system. You are using Linux operating system. You have to download remote desktop file. How you need to download the remote desktop file is, we have to select the instant. At the top, connect option is there. Then we have to choose the tab RDP client is there. Here, you need to download remote desktop file. From that also, we have to connect your Windows server. Fine. Before connecting the Windows server, I have to note down what is the public DNS of this machine. For that, I am selecting the instant. Connect option is there. Click on that connect option. Here you need to choose RDP client, remote desktop protocol client. Then we have to note down in your notepad public DNS of this mission. Copy this and paste it here in your notepad. This is the public DNS. And then what is the username for this Windows mission? Username is administrator. As it is, we have to copy and paste it in the notepad. Next, to connect this Windows mission, you need the password. To launch the instant, you are downloaded the key pair type is PEM file format you are downloaded. Now that PEM file format, you are using that, you are getting the password. How you have to get the password is, click on get password option is there. And then we have to upload the private key. To launch the instant, you are downloaded PEM file format. That we have to upload it. Upload private key file. Where your PEM file is there in your downloads option. What is the PEM file name you are given? Windows Server 101 key you are given. Select this one. Click on open. Scroll down. Scroll down. At the bottom, decrypt password is there. Click on this one. Then you are getting the password. This we have to copy this, paste it in the notepad. Paste it in the notepad. Fine. Fine. Now I noted my Windows Server public DNS, the username I am noted, and this is the password I am noted. Password I am noted in the notepad. Now, to connect the Windows machine, you are using the Windows operating system, then you have to use remote desktop connection. Click on this one. Then it is asking the computer. Means you need to enter the public IPv4 of the machine, this one, or you may enter public DNS of the machine, public DNS or public IPv4, public DNS or the public IPv4. I'll tell you. Okay. So I had to copy public DNS, copy this and paste it here, the computer. Next, you can click on connect option, and then click on connect option. Then it is asking the password. What is the username is there? You have to enter the username and the password. That is, what is the username for the Windows Server? I noted in the notepad. The username is administrator. You need to enter the password. How you are getting the password? That is, while launching the mission, you are creating the key pair name. Sunil. At the launching the instant, you are creating the key pair. That is the key pair type I am chosen PEM file format. Using that PEM file, I am getting the password. Without that PEM file format, you are not getting your password. You are not connected to your Windows machine. That's why to launch the mission, you need to create the key pair, or you may select the existing key pair. Without key pair, you are not connecting your Windows machine. You are not connecting your Linux machine also. Okay, Sunil. Fine. Now, I copy this as is the password. If you are missing single character, then your Windows server is not connected. Paste it here. Click on OK. Click on yes. Now see that it is connecting Windows server from Mumbai region data center. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It is updating from Mumbai region data center. Okay. Wait. Don't worry. Once you are registered, the codes I am providing every day, class material I am providing. Right now, to launch the Windows mission, what are the steps we have to follow? Those steps I am providing pin to pin. See that. This is how we have to launch and connect your Windows server. First, I am providing just the basic information. That is EC2 stands for Amazon Elastic Cloud Computing. That is using the EC2, you launch the servers, Amazon Linux server, Ubuntu, Windows server, Red Hat Linux, so on so servers you are connecting. Okay. Now, the procedure I am representing, steps to launch and connect the Windows server. First, you have to select the region. Here I am selecting Mumbai region. You have to select the EC2 service. And then you have to click on launch instances. You have to give the instant name. And given the instant name is Windows Server 101 I am given. You are launching the Windows server. You have to choose Amazon mission image, that is Windows OS, we have to choose it. Then the next step is you need to choose the instant type. Here in Mumbai region, 513 instant types are there. As per your business needs, you have to choose the instant type. Here, you are for practicing purpose, you have to choose the instant type is t2.micro. Then the next step is we have to create the new key pair. To give the key pair, special characters does not work. Special characters does not work. Private key file format, we have to select as .pem file format to launch the Windows server. To launch the Linux server, you may select PEM file format or .ppk file format. I'll tell you in the next class. Now to launch the Windows server, you have to select the private key file format as .pem file format and then click on create key pair. Next. In the network settings, we have to allow the RDP traffic. Source is anywhere we have to choose it. Anywhere we have to choose it. To launch the Linux mission, it is providing 30 GB storage it is providing. Okay. And then you can click on launch instant. Click on launch instant. Okay. Okay. Now, to connect your EC2 mission, to connect your Windows mission, you need the password. How you are getting the password is, we have to select the EC2 mission and then click on at the top connect option is there. You can click on connect option. Go to the RDP client. Then we can generate the password. You copy and paste it on the notepad. You copy and paste it the public DNS. You copy and paste it the username, right? And then you have to open remote desktop connection from your laptop. You have to enter public DNS. What is the username, administrator, and the password you need to enter it. Then your Windows mission is connected. See that? See that? See that? You are connecting the Windows mission. See, at the right side here, it is showing the details. That is, it is showing the host name, host instant ID, private IPv4, public IPv4, the instant type we are chosen t2.micro, availability zone AP South 1A, memory 1 GB, memory it is provided, right? Now, see that. What is the hard disk it is providing? To launch and connect the Windows server, 30 GB it is providing. Wait that 30 GB. Wait that 30 GB. For that, I am click on files option is there. Now we have to choose this PC. See that how much it is showing? How much it is showing? 29.9 means 30 GB. To install Windows, it is taking this one. The remaining free GB is 13.2 GB free of your 29.9 GB. Means to launch and connect the Windows server, it is providing the default 30 GB it is provided. 30 GB it is provided. Those are the steps we have to follow, how we have to launch and connect your Windows server. Your Windows server. After completion of your practice, then you need to terminate or delete your mission. How we have to terminate or delete the mission? First, you need to select the instant. Here, instant state option is there. Then if you are chosen stop instant, like shutdowning your laptop, shutdowning your desktop, see that automatically it is closed. Whatever you are connected, it is closed. It is closed. Fine. Shutdowning is nothing bad. You are stopping the mission is nothing bad. That is, you are shutdowning your server in the Mumbai region data center. In the Mumbai region data center. Right. Now, if you want to connect this server, select the instant. Select the instant. Go for instant state. Then you have to choose start instant. Then see that what is the instant state? pending. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Once it is running, then you have to connect your Windows server. Windows server. Okay. That is if you are chosen, stop instant is nothing but like shutdowning your machine, shutdowning your laptop or the desktop. If you are chosen terminate the instant is nothing but completely that instant is deleted or terminated from the Mumbai region data center. Right. Now see that what is the instant state running. Now you have to connect your Windows machine using remote desktop connection or using remote desktop file. Okay, now it is connected, no problem at all. Now, if you are chosen in the instant state, terminate instant, completely the instant is terminated from the Mumbai region data center. If you want to launch and connect the Windows server, then you have to follow from first step to last step, right? So you are for practicing purpose. After completion of your practice, you have to terminate it. On the next day, you have to follow the steps. Then only your practice is perfect. So you have to terminate the instant, whatever you are practiced on the day, right? First it is shutdowning from the Mumbai region data center and then it is terminated. For termination purpose, it is taking time. See that one instant is there. That is present instant is Windows server. Windows server. In earlier, 0 key pairs are there. Now one key pair is there. That is to launch the Windows server. You are creating the key pair. Key pair name is Windows Server 101 key. You are created. And if you see in the beginning, the security groups one is there. That is default security group. Now you are created to launch your mission. That is Windows Server 101 SG. You are created, right? For key pairs and the security group, you are not getting bill from the AWS. However, you need to delete the key pairs also for practicing purpose. Select the key pair. You can click on the key pair name, go for action, click on delete option. Here you have to type it delete. Click on delete. Then the key pair is deleted. If you want to delete security group, go for security group. Select your created security group, go for action, delete security group, click on delete option. Then the security group is deleted. Security group is deleted. If you are not deleting the key pair, will they do bill? No. That's why I'm saying that. That's why I'm saying that for key pairs and the security group, you are not getting any bill. Any bill, right? So you are for practicing purpose. That's why whatever you are practiced on the day, all those things you have to delete or terminate it. Terminate it. Okay. 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 All the steps I am providing, pin to pin. Pin to pin I am providing. What is the security group? Security group, that is while launch the instant, I am creating the security group. What is the security group is nothing but a security group. It act as a virtual firewall for your EC2 instant. That is to control incoming and outgoing traffic. You are creating the security group. Here, there are two rules are there. Inbound rules are there. Outbound rules are there. Right? With that rules, it is controlling. That's why the security group, it is acting as a virtual firewall for your EC2 instances. To control your incoming and outgoing traffic, for that you are creating the security group. What is the key pair? That's I am given the explanation. That's I am given the explanation. Okay. That is today's session. In this today's session, I explain how we have to create your AWS free tier account and how to launch and connect the Windows server using EC2 service. Anyone have any questions regarding this concept? If any AWS course fee details, you have to contact this number, this one. So here the contact numbers are there. You have to contact this regarding the fee and the course details. Course content I am providing. What are the concepts I have to cover? What I am providing in this 40 days of the training. Every day you are getting the recording videos and the class notes you are getting. And at the end of the 40 days of the training, I am providing, that is AWS dumps I am providing, and each topic, the screenshot explanation I am providing, and then the interview questions I am providing. Okay. Anyone have any questions?
Sir,
Rama.
can you share the yesterday one link? Actually, I joined through mobile. It got expired.
Which one? Zoom link?
You have shared yesterday one, right? Yeah.
That is AWS global infrastructure.
No, no. Yesterday demo you have shared one link on YouTube. Right? That YouTube link.
That is today. Today demonstration I am sending on the chat box. This is the yesterday demo link. This one.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Today video recording you are getting tomorrow.
No, no.
Or
I'm asking for yesterday's one.
this is
That one.
yesterday session. This is yesterday session link only.
Yeah.
You see that you can click on this link. That is what I teach in the yesterday, that class video it is providing.
Is it accessible to public also? Just we will
Yes,
get the test.
yes, it is public. The demo videos are public.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. On DurgaSoft YouTube channel, you are getting this demo
Sure.
video. See, in this DurgaSoft YouTube channel, you are getting the demo videos here. You can search DurgaSoft. Here, DurgaSoft Solutions YouTube channel is there. On that, go for the playlist. Here, day one recording video is there. Day one recording video is there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anyone have any questions regarding these? You may contact these numbers regarding fee
Uh,
and
we installing that instance types, no, sir.
yes,
Uh,
instant type include,
how to select that we have the type pricing instances like dedicated
that is
like that.
T2.micro. T2.micro, it is providing the free service. If you are chosen the remaining instance, they are the paid versions. As per your business needs, you have to choose the instant types.
Okay,
Okay. For practicing purpose, you have to choose T2.micro.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Out of the 513 instant types, as per your business needs, you are chosen. Once you join
Yeah,
your organization, once you join in the industry, as per their business needs, their requirements, they are chosen the instant types. For your practicing purpose, you have to select the instant type is T2.micro. It is providing 750 hours per month. Free service it is providing. Once this 750 hours is exceeding, then you are getting billed to your AWS account. Okay, that's
yeah,
why I'm saying that. However, you are for practicing purpose, for practice perfect purpose, every day, whatever you are practice, then at the end, you have to delete all those things.
yeah. Actually, we doubt is we are selecting T2 dot micro, no, sir.
Yes, yes. That is
That
in the
comes
free tier
on.
limitation. Free tier limitation,
Okay,
we have to upset that. Already I'm providing the link also. What are the
okay,
free tier limitations are there? How many hours it is providing? All the details are there.
okay. For pricing, for coming coming to pricing, these are like dedicated saving that all comes under
I will tell you
pricing.
in the upcoming sessions. I will tell you in the upcoming
Okay,
sessions. The pricing details, the calculator option is there. In the content, one calculator option is there. At the last time,
okay,
right?
okay,
If
sir.
you are choosing per hour, how much bill you are getting. That is, if you are choosing the monitoring tools, how much you are getting the amount. Lambda service, how much you are getting the amount. If you are choosing the SQL or something, you are using the services, how much amount you are getting per monthly and how much amount you are getting per yearly bill. That's I'm showing at the calculator.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone?
And for this materials, how can we get, sir?
That is using the drive link. Using the
Okay.
drive link. Once you register the course, then you are getting everyday recording videos and the class notes. And at the end of the 40 days, you are getting AWS terms and screenshot explanation and technical questions and answers you are getting.
Actually, I already registered for this course. Will I get those links?
Yes. Yes. Once you register, you may contact DurgaSoft. They are providing the link. On that link, the class videos and class notes are there.
Okay.
Okay.
If I missed that session also, I
If
will
you
get
are missing, suppose if you are due to some reason you are not attending the today class, then tomorrow morning you are getting the video, then you can watch the video and what content I deliver and you can practice accordingly, then you can continue the classes.
sure.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone? Anyone? If no queries, then I'll end the session. Tomorrow we'll meet at the same time, 9 p.m. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet you.